the. Okay, here we need to take care is this become not D but G, right? It was G, so G become G, so become Z. Hello and welcome to Kaisan Pa channel. Today we will be learning about Japanese language. So if you don't know Ja of the Japanese language, you are the perfect person to watch this video from the beginning of the story until the end of the story, and I promise you, I assure you, at the end of this video you will be hero of Japanese language. If not, then at least you can understand what are the writing system in Japanese, how do we use hiragana writing system, katakana writing system, and what are the basic differences between hiragana and katakana, and why do we introduce katakana writing system, the main purpose and the basic purpose of both different writing systems. As well as we will be introducing you about some of the daily used Japanese words with their English translations. So if you are planning to visit Japan, or if you already living in Japan and having problems or struggling with your Japanese language, then you are the one who should watch this video until the end. So don't waste our time and let us start. And once again, thank you for choosing the course, and we welcome you on Kaisan Pa channel. Let us start from the first chapter, and the first chapter is Japanese writing system. The Japanese writing system consists of three different types of alphabets. One is hiragana, second is katakana, and then very important and final is kanji characters. Yes, so they have three types of characters: hiragana, katakana, and kanji. We will be going through the hiragana in this chapter, and in subsequent chapter we will be learning about katakana and kanji. So what is hiragana? Hiragana is native Japanese letters. It means we can form any Japanese word by using hiragana letters, and this is not so old, but the alphabet, the writing system is reformed in 1900, as you can see in the PPT. This is easy to write, and down to this you can see some example. So this is called a, and then this is called e. No problem, I understand you cannot get it at this point of time, but very soon you can able to identify the Japanese hiragana words, and then you will be saying thank to me. Let us go to the next slide, and that explains more detail about what constitutes hiragana. Similar to what we have in English alphabet, hiragana also consists of 8 singular vowels and then 39 consonant vowel unions that doesn't include V and O. So what is V and O? We will be explaining later. And then one singular consonant, and that spell as You don't have to do anything, just like make a sound close your mouth and lips and or you can say depending on the words, the spelling and then pronunciation is also different for this singular consonant character. The singular vowels are a, e, u, a, o lines, and that only used as a practice and in some names. we use ru, this is called like e and e, but we only use in very few cases. So it is not required for you to understand these things, but you must have to understand these lines to go ahead about the vowels. So let us go to next, and here you can see, as I said, we have a different lines very similar to Hindi or probably Urdu as well. So we will be learning different line. Each line consists of 5 different characters. So now the first line is a. So this is called a. We cannot say a, but a. So down to this you can see a line consists of 5 different characters. This is a, e, u, a, o. A, e, u, a, o. Yes, a, e, u, a, o. This is a line. Next is ka line. So in ka line we have ka. This is ka. Later on we will be learning how to write it exactly, how to mark the lines to make like what are the correct characters writing system. So the ka line consists of 5 different correlated characters. So ka, then ki, ku, ke, ko. Yeah, repeat with me. Ka, ki, ku, ke, and ko. So this was ka line. Second, sa line. This is sa line, right? So sa line is consists of characters related to sa, and this is sa, si, su, se, and so. Very simple. Sa, si, su, se, so. Okay, let us move for the next, and that is ta line, right? So there are some exception here we need to understand. Until now we had si or we had ki, right, corresponding to ka, but in ta line we have ta, that is pretty much similar to what we had in the past, like ka or sa, but when we go to the next, this becomes chi, right? This becomes chi. It means we don't have any ti, right? So if we go as this line sa and then si, similar, if this is a ta line, this is a ta line, then it should be ti, but that is not a case. So in Japanese hiragana or even in katakana we don't have any ti. I am not sure why. If you know the answer, please comment and also let me know as well. But yeah, let us go ahead here. This is chi, and third is also a problem here. This is s. Okay, repeat with me. S. You don't have to close this tongue. Just make a space, keep a space, and then s. Okay. So s. It is very different. So earlier it should be tu, right? But it is s and te, and finally we have to. So these both are common what we had. So this is what we have in ta line. Next is na line. Na line has no exception. So you can learn as usual. You can learn as similar to ka line or even in sa line. For example, na, ni, nu, ne, no. So just remember na, so a, and then e, then u, then a, then o. So na, ni, nu, ne, no, na, ni, nu, ne, no, right? This is not a song, but you can remember like a song. Nani nu ne no, kaki ko ke ko, sasi su se so, right? We will be teaching you later on what are the shortcut to remember these alphabets. But right now let us focus one by one of all the character in different line. This is ha line. Well, so again there is exception here. Now we will be starting with ha, going forward in a similar manner as we did in earlier lines he, but this should not be who but fu, 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 right? F, you see F, this is fu, and then next come up with your older plan, and that was he. So ha is he and then ho. So ha he fu he ho, ha he fu he ho, ha he fu he ho. Right, pretty much easy, isn't it? Next is ma line, ma no line. So it's ma line. Okay, so because mama is always easy for anyone to approach, right, at any point of the life. So ma line is pretty much easy as what we learned in the past, right? So ma, me, what, mo, right? Yeah, me, and then mo. Very simple. Ma, me, mo, me, and mo. Clear, right? Okay, let us go ahead. Okay, so this is exception, and this is called ya line. Ya line consists of only 3 characters, and later on you will see these characters will be combined with other hiragana character to form special words, or you can say special characters. So we'll be learning here different line, different character of ya line. Ya, you, and yo. Only 3. Ya, yo, yo, ya, yo, yo, ya, yo, yo, ya, yo, yo. Right? Yeah, very easy. Next is ra line. So in ra line we also don't have to remember any exception, pretty much similar to what we learned in the past, like ka line or sa line or ma line. Similar to this is ra, ri, ru, re, ro. Again ra, ri, ru, re, ro. I'll be repeating ra, ri, ru, re, ro. Okay, your turn. Good, let us go. Va line. Again, this is exception, and in va line we only have 2 different words, 2 different characters, va and o. So remember, this is rarely used. However, o is always used in sentences, because later on you will learn this is also a object marking particle. So o is widely used when we form a Japanese sentence, especially a polite or a business level sentences in Japanese. So va line consists of va and o. Fine enough. We put all together here for you to easily understand, and this information we got from Wikipedia. See, a, e, u, e, o. This is a line, and corresponding to this you can see a, e, u, e, o. And then there is a ka line that I earlier explained. So K and A become Ka. So this is Ka, Ki, Ku, Ke, Ko. Then this is a Sa line. S and A become Sa. So Sa, Si, Su, Se, So. Similarly, Ta line, Ta, Chi, Su, te, to. Na line, na, ni, no, ne, no. Ha line, ha, he, fu. So remember, this is exception. So ha, he, fu, he, ho. Ma line is ma, mi, mu, me, mo. No exception here. Mama is always easy to approach. Ya line is ya. Then nothing here. Yo. Nothing here. Yo. And then ra line, that is ra, ri, ru, re, ro. Then we have wa line, that consists of wa. This is not used. There is nothing here. This is also not used. And then this is o. As I said earlier, o is an object marking particle, and we will be learning about it later on in detail. And then this is special character. How was that? Okay, so now we have Dakuten and Han Dakuten. This is also special characters in Hiragana's writing system. Of course, it will also be coming in Katakana writing system, but we will be learning what are those characters and how we make it. So Dakuten is tenten. You can see this is called tenten in Japanese. So tenten mark on the top right of a hiragana word. So what you need to do is to take a hiragana character, put tenten, this mark on the top right corner, and that will become a dakuten. Similar to this, Han dakuten will be a circle on the top right corner of a hiragana character, like this. This was what? Ha, and when I put this circle here, it become pa, right? It become pa. The pronunciation has changed because now it become Han dakuten. So why we use these things? To change the voice, to change the pronunciation, because you have seen in the writing system, in hiragana writing system, very less number of things, very less number of voices we can pronounce. So dakuten and the Han dakuten will help us to change the voice and will expand the domain of the language itself. So let us see more examples. This is dakuten, so this is ga line. Earlier, if I don't put this tenten here, then it was a ka line. So let us not put tenten here, it becomes ka, ki, ko, ke, ko, right? So when I put dakuten here, to dakuten, it becomes ga, ki, go, ke, go. And then sa, it was a sa. Then when I put tenten, then it changed to ja. So ja, ji, zu, je, jo. This is ta, but because of the tenten, it becomes da. So da. Okay, here we need to take care is this become not di but zi, zi, right? It was chi, so chi become ji. So become z, z, and then de, then do. Later we have a ba line. So earlier it was ha, and then we put tenten, it become ba. So ba, bi, bo, be, bo. And later we have do. Okay, so this is Han dakuten, right? Because this is a circle. So you have also realized here the same hiragana word, when we put tenten, it changes to ba. But this word, the same word, when we put a circle, it becomes pa. So depending on the mark, either tenten or either a circle, it changes to the voice as well. We also have a digraph. Those are the combination of hiragana characters, and consonants are attached, small version of ya, yo, o, to form a special voice, and those voices are called digraphs. So earlier I said, when I was teaching you about ya line, it can be added with different hiragana character to make a special voice, and those voices are called digraphs. So here you can see, for example, we have this is what key, right? Yeah, and then small of yeah. You can see this is not same level of key, so this is smaller key, right? So key and then small yeah become kya. So down to this you can see kya, and q, kyo. Similarly sa, su, so, cha, chu, cho, right? And then you have a ni and then added ya, a small ya, then become nya. So aya, aya, you are adding aya here. You are adding ayu, ayu, you. You see here, ya, you, yo, ya, you, yo, right? So na, this is ni, right? So new, 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 like this. Similar to this, he, this was he, right? And one we added ya, then become ya. What is this? Hue, and then hyo. Similarly, this was me and then added ya. So mya, myo, and myo. And finally ria, ryu, and ryo. So how was it? We also have a digraph with handakuten and dakuten. For example, you can see here, if I don't put any tenten here, then it was ki. But now, because of tenten, it become gi. And because of small ya, it become gya, right? So this is dakuten, and it become digraph of dakuten. So gya, gyu, gyo, right? Everywhere there is a tenten, there is a tenten, there is a tenten. Similar to this, this was si, but when we put tenten, it become zi, and when we put small ya, this become za. So zi plus ya, za, zi, ja, zu, and then zo, ja, zu, zo. Here, what is this? Za, za. It's very difficult, but za, za, zu, zo. So you need to give special attention when you are spelling this line and this line. Very small, very small changes you need to make in your tongue so that you can differentiate between these two type of pronunciations. This is simple. So he, it was, but putting tenten become b, and now smaller ya become bea. So bea, beyu, beyo, right? And as I said, when we put circle, it changed to handakuten, and when we put handakuten on this he, it become p, and smaller ya made it bea. So we had just learned about the hiragana writing system, and now in this chapter we will learning katakana writing system. Similar to hiragana, we have katakana writing system in Japanese. So you can see in PPT as well, the katakana writing system is mainly used to write foreign words. Yes, only for foreign words. This is difficult to write, and examples are like this. So while hiragana is very curly when we write, katakana is straightforward. So you can see this is ya, this is o. So very straightforward writing system, and this writing system is equivalent to hiragana writing system. However, we cannot use this alphabet system to write the Japanese native words. We can only use to write words like coming from English, Hindi, Punjabi, or any other foreign language. So let us start. The katakana has 5 nucleus vowels. It is ya, i, u, a, o. Yeah, so this is ya, e, u, a, o. And similar to what we have in hiragana, this has 39 consonant vowels union. That of course doesn't include v, w, and o, as I explained in hiragana writing system. Hiragana writing system also doesn't include v, w, and o. And finally, this is again similarity are here. So this is again similar to what we have in hiragana writing system. This is the sound Well, the writing stroke is very different from the other languages, like you need to do down to up and then mark a 10, simple 10, that makes you Later on we will be learning the writing strokes, because even in hiragana or in katakana it is very important for writer to write in a correct stroke order. If you don't do that, person cannot understand, or anybody cannot understand what do you want to write, because strokes are so much and very closely written. So we need to define, we need to understand the way correct stroke writing is. So we also have ya line here. As I said that this is mainly a straightforward writing. The katakana system is specially used for the English or foreign language words. So this is ya line. Ya can be written, so you just put it here and then mark a straight line all the way to down. So ya, e, u, a, o. One thing you also noticed that the pronunciation is exactly what we had in hiragana writing system. So only the changes are the words itself, the letters itself. Otherwise pronunciation is similar to what we had in hiragana. So similar to a line in hiragana, we can say a, e, u, a, o, right? One more time, a, e, u, a, o. Let us go for ka line. Okay, one thing you may notice in hiragana ka, this and this is pretty much similar, and there is a line, a small line here, right? But in katakana nothing, and as I said, it is pretty much straightforward, right? Making a rectangle, a right angle here, 90 degree. Okay, so ka, ki is also pretty much different, ki, ku, ke, ko. So again, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. How about ko, ke, ku, ki, kya? It's difficult, right? Yes. Next, sa line. So sa line is very different from what we had in the writing system, but again pronunciation are similar and exact. So sa, si, su, se, so, sa, si, su, se, so, sa, si, su, se, so. Next is ta line, and again the rule exceptions are here. So earlier we learned in hiragana, chi and s is also different in katakana writing system. So this is ta, immediately this is chi, and then s, te, and to. Next is na line. So na line is na, ni, nu, ne, no, 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 right? So na line is pretty much simple, and we don't have any exception here. So you can simply remember na, ni, nu, ne, no, right? No is very much easy to write. Okay, one thing I want you to notice is when we write na, we come all the way to down a bit and then move left, and this is a straight line, right? But when we write no, we need not to go all the way to down, but we start moving left from the dot we started this. So make sure you will not making such kind of mistakes when you are writing na and no. Ha line. Ha line has one exception, as we learned in hiragana as well. So you can see ha, he, fu. This is not he, right? Fu, ha, he, fu, he, ho. Ha, he, fu, he, ho. Ha, he, fu, he, ho. Right? Yes. And then ma line. So ma line has also no exception, and you will be learning like ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Yeah, pretty much easy. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Okay, one more thing I want you to notice is me. Now think back and tell me what are the similar character of me in katakana. Think. I will give you 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Time up. Yes, you are right. Na. Let us go back. Na is similar to me, but what I said, na is all the way a bit down and then move left. This is a straight line, but in case of me, all the way to left from the starting, and this should not be a straight line, and it means both strokes are different. Okay, so you will be sure, making sure about that. Next is ya line. Remember, in hiragana we learn about ya. So in hiragana ya is down and then something like this, more curly, but this is straight. So as I said earlier, katakana is a straight writing system, so just make everything straight. So ya, you, yo, there is no rule here. So ya, you, yo, pretty much different from what hiragana you and hiragana yo. So just remember ya, you and yo. Next is ra line. So ra line is also different, and what you need to do is you need to take a straight line all the way until a bit more and then go down towards left, and straight small line compared with this line. So this become ra, re, ro, re, ro. Okay, one trick I will tell you to remember this is, this is re, right? So re is this and then down to this. So re, and then when you want to make ru, you just make this line opposite. So you will making this opposite and this opposite, both opposite will become ru. And when you want to make a re, just delete the first one and this become re, right? Pretty much like, you know, a trick, a small trick to remember three lines, these three words, these three letters, but make sure you will be not forgetting the trick that I said. And ro, o, just remember o. So o is a circle, right? So you are changing this circle to a square. This is ro. Okay, this is wa line. There is no rule for wa, but you need to make sure that you are not making mistakes between wa and ra. So we just learn about ra, all the way to right and go down, smaller line up here, no smaller line here, straight line, but similar to this, all the way to right and then go, all the way to right, yeah, and then go down, but there is a smaller line here. Instead of here, it is here. So When everything is connected, you can say wa, but this is disconnected, so ra, something like trick. And then o, so this was katakana o, and we learn, you remember, o, hiragana o. And now you tell me, what is the use of o in sentences? Giving you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Time up. Yes. So o is object marking particle that we will be learning later, and mainly used when we start making sentences in Japanese, especially in formal or in a business settings. Let us put all together and we will say monograph. So this is ka, ka, ki. So here is no, nothing. So a, e, u, e, o. Repeat with me. A, e, u, e, o. A, e, u, e, o. Next is ka line, as we learn ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Yep, ka, ki, ku, ke, ko. Next is sa line, and there is no exception in sa line, as I said earlier. So sa, si, su, se, so. Sa, si, su, se, so. Next is ta line. Now you remember the exceptions here. Yep, you are right. We have 2 exceptions, here and here. Chi and s. Chi and s. So ta, chi, s, te, to. Ta, chi, s, te, to. Correct. Next is na line. There is no exception, right, in na line. So na, ni, nu, ne, no. Na, ni, nu, ne, no. Ha line is one exception, that is fu. Fu. This is not who, but fu, fu, fu. So how to spell? Ha, he, fu, he, ho. Ha, he, fu, he, ho. Ha, he, fu, he, ho. Right? One more time. Let us go. Ha, he, fu, he, ho. Come with me. Ha, he, fu, he, ho. Okay. Next is ma line, and ma line has no exception because mama is easy to approach at any point of your life. Yep. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Ma, mi, mu, me, mo. Right? Yep, that is correct. Next is ya line. So ya, nothing here. Very similar to what we had in hiragana. Yo, nothing here. Just don't remember this. Yo. So ya, yo, yo. Ya, yo, yo. This is a, but rarely used. Pretty much similar to this. Here you can see. So you put here, either put here. So if you already remember here a, you don't have to remember this. Next is ra line. So ra, ri, ru, re, ro. Ra, ri, ru, re, ro. Ra, ri, ru, re, ro. Okay, and then we have wa line. So wa, nothing here. Don't remember. Nothing here. Nothing here. O, wa and o. And finally, what we had is sound. Sound. Okay, so Rakuten and Handakuten is very similar as hiragana. If you are putting ten, this is ten, you remember ten, then it becomes Rakuten, and if you are putting a circle, it becomes Handakuten. This is ten, so this is Dakuten, and when you put a circle here, it will become Handakuten, and both are changing sounds. You can see here monographs, Dakuten and Handakuten. Similar, this was Ka line, and we put then this become Ga. So again, the ten make similar changes what it did in hiragana. So earlier Ka line and put ten become Ga line. Similarly in katakana, Ka line put ten become Ga line. So this is what? Yep, Ga line. So ga gi go ge go, ga gi go ge go. Yep, simple. Then Ja line. What was that? Sa. Put ten make it za. Za ji zu je zo. Ja ji zu je zo. And then what was that? Ta changed to ta da, and ji z de do. So da ji z de do, da ji z de do, right? And then we had ha line, and this ha put ten made it ba, right? Ba bi, what is this? Bo, be bo, right? Ba bi bo be bo, ba bi bo be bo, ba bi bo be bo, right? Yep. And then see, so this was ha line, put ten become ba, put a circle become pa. So pa pi pu pe po, pa pi pu pe po. If you are Hindi speaker, then you know the meaning of pa pi. A person who did sin, pa pi pu pe po, but nothing, no correlation here. This is just characters in Handakra, right? So pa pi pu pe po. Okay, let us go next is digraph. So digraph are combination of katakana character with smaller characters, right? So consonant are attached smaller version of ya, you, yo to form special voice, and those voices are digraphs. It is again similar to what we had in hiragana. Yep, this is digraph list. It was a key, right? And then small ya become kya. Earlier we already learned in hiragana, very similar to hiragana, this is in katakana. So kya, kyu, kyo. Only three types of hiragana, katakana, only three types of small characters can be added. So this is kya, kyu, kyo, sa, su, so. And this was it, cha, chu, che, right? Nya, niu, nyo, hya, hyu, hyo, mea, miu, meo, and then this is what? Ri, so ria, ryu, ryo. Similarly, it is gaya. So see here, earlier no ten here, that is why this is ki, made it kya, and there is a ten here that made gi, and then we are adding small ya to become gya. So gya, gyu, gyo, za, zu, zo, za, it's very difficult, za, zu, zo, or bea, biu, beo, and putting circle you can see. So bea, biu, and beo. How was it? It is all the matter of practice. So read more and more, see the video again so that you can practice and remember. So here are some example of typical katakana words. As I said, katakana writing system is only used to write foreign words but not native Japanese words. So now light is an English word and you want to write in Japanese, so you will not use hiragana but you will use katakana, and that will be raito, raito, raito. So this is raito. Next is, this is a pen. In English came from English, so we need to write in katakana. This is pe, it was he, right, and then put a circle, become pe. So pen, this is sound, right. Similar to this, this is desuku, this is de, or you can say de, but de with word we can change de or de. Desuku, desk. For desk we wanted to say desuku, desuku. It's funny, but yeah. Okay, for hotel we say hoteru. If you notice, there is no singular explanation, no singular spelling is here, like hoteru. You must have to add a, e, u, a, o for each consonant in English, right? So r is here and there is no l at all, right? There is no l at all, so we need to change l to r, right, in Japanese. So hoteru. That is why when you say some r related word or some l related word to a native Japanese speaker, he or she might be confused whether you are saying L or R. So make sure to let that person understand what you exactly want to say. Next is McDonald's. This is for McDonald's, or we can simply say Mac. It is informal, but we should not recommend you to use, but Mac to your friend. It is. Next is jupon for trouser or pant. It came from French, jupon. Similarly, Spanish, bread, and bread Spanish is called pan. So this is pan, this is ha, right, and put circle be pan, pa, and then and pan. Similarly, Piro is clown, radio, right. Similar to this, we have different words in katakana. So this is the end of the katakana lesson. How was that? Tell me that in the comment box. About this chapter. Okay, so this is the example of some typical hiragana word. As I said, native Japanese word will be written in hiragana, and see, konnichiwa. Konnichiwa means hello. Konbanwa means good evening. Good evening, right? Zane. Do you remember this? Small ya. Okay, so this is z, small ya becomes zane, right? Jane means bye bye, we'll see you later. Dozo, please come in, please do it, something like this, the meaning. Okay, very important. Sumimasen, Sumimasen means I am sorry. I am sorry. Suimasen. Well, very little different between sumimasen, but I will not tell you the difference. You will be going to find it out and writing this to the comment box. This will be your assignment. Next, chotto. Chotto. See, there is a new thing, a small su. Small su make oh, oh, chotto, chotto, right? So this to two times, small to and full to, chotto, right? So sometimes we use this kind of a small su to make word two times, small and big, small and big. Hi, hi means yes, very popular word among Japan and Japanese people. All the time you will hear hi, 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 hi. Hi means not hi, but hi means yes, 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 acceptance. Iye, iye, iye means no. Okay. Daijobu. See, this is very difficult, but anyway, you will learn it. Daijobu means okay, that's fine, good, okay, like this. Next, o genki desu ka? O is omitted, o can be omitted, but still o genki desu ka? Later on we will be learning different level of politeness in Japanese, but for now you will just getting it as how are you? O genki desu ka? In a polite form, how are you? Next is kudasa. What is it? I. Okay, kudasai. So kudasai means please, please. So how is this chapter? Go ahead, go ahead and watch this chapter again if you are not getting any point of this chapter, and then write down in the comment box how do you feel about that chapter. Okay, so now it's time to do some practice. Okay, let us go. You will be telling me the character listed here. What is it? Correct. You. This is you. Okay, now you tell me what is it? This character. Ku. Yeah, you are right. This is ku. What is it? The first character of hiragana alphabet system. Yes, you are right. This is a. Next, what is it? First character of ka line. Yep, ka. What is it? Se. What is it? Go. Now you tell me these two characters. They and they. Then make this te to they. This is go s. Spell with me. S, 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 s. Right? Yep. What is it? Go. What is it? 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep. Me. Then this is me 2 times. Okay, then what making is B. This is he, and earlier what is it? C. But if you put then this become G, right? So let us do it quickly. Ha, you, he, ru, ka, a, ta, ma, mi. Ku, mi, bi, ji, ka, si, no, ka, me. Ha, chi, mi, hi, pi, ta, se, do, o. Next, your turn. Okay. Ku, bi, mu, ne, ja, ne, me, ha, na. Next, u, de, te, ku, su, za, da, bi, ka. Right? Let us go for next. It is difficult. Okay, what is this? Chi. What is this? Go back and learn the video again. Learn from the video again. This, and from the dot all the way to down and come to left. Yup, na. Hey, hey is similar to what we had in hiragana, right? Oh, what is this? Remember, I told you, if there is a no disconnection all the way to a straight line and go left, that makes you wa. And if there is a disconnection here and no this line, not existence of this line, just put a smaller line here, then it make what? Ra. If you are not sure, then go back again, watch the video of katakana chapter. What is this? Ro, re, ru. Again I told you ru and re. So ru was it, and then remove this become re, right? This is ma, mu, ka. Ka I also told you, ka. No tenten, no line here. Sa, chi, ta, this is ho. Okay, so how did you do? If you want to practice more, go back and watch the video again, and I will be posting some more video related to Japanese language. Thank you. If you are here, it means watch the video seriously. How was that? I would love to see your comment, and I would love to incorporate your feedback, comment, or suggestions. And I will also note the Okay, so now it's time to do some practice. Okay, let us go. You will be telling me the character listed here. What is it? Correct. You. This is you. Okay, now you tell me what is it? This character. Ku. Yeah, you are right. This is ku. What is it? the first character of hiragana alphabet system? Yes, you are right. This is A. Next, what is it? First character of ka line. Yep, ka. What is it? Say. What is it? Go. Now you tell me these two characters, they and te. Then make this te to they. This is go. S. Spell with me. S, 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 s. Right? Yep. What is it? Go. What is it? 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, me. Then this is me 2 times. Okay, then what making is B. This is he, and earlier what is it? C. But if you put then this become G, right? So let us do it quickly. Ha, you, he, ru, ka, a, ta, ma, mi. Ku, mi, bi, ji, ka, si, no, ka, me. Ha, chi, mi, hi, pi, ta, se, do, o. Next, your turn. Okay. Ku, bi, mu, ne, ja, ne, me, ha, na. Next, u, de, te, ku, su, za, da, bi, ka. Right? Let us go for next. It is difficult. Okay, what is this? Chi. What is this? Go back and learn the video again. Learn from the video again. This, and from the dot all the way to down and come to left. Yup, na. Hey is similar to what we had in hiragana, right? Oh, what is this? Remember, I told you, if there is a no disconnection all the way to a straight line and go left, that makes you wa. And if there is a disconnection here and no this line, not existence of this line, just put a smaller line here, then it make what? Ra. If you are not sure, then go back again, watch the video of katakana chapter. What is this? Ro, re, ru. Again I told you ru and re. So ru was it, and then remove this become re, right? This is ma, mu, ka. Ka I also told you, ka. No no line here. Sa, chi, ta. This is ho. Okay, so how did you do? If you want to practice more, go back and watch the video again, and I will be posting some more video related to Japanese language.